Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today we'll go through the 120Hz versus 144Hz screen refresh rate test. So actually, as you can see, I recorded both videos on this phone and on this phone, slow-mo videos to show you the difference. On the camera you won't see the difference actually, so that's why I recorded slow-mos. And let's start with this phone. This phone is 120Hz and this one is 144Hz. Let's see the difference between this between these two things. As you can see here, they have it very nice because it's 120 Hz. And I don't really think that we need more from the phone, but here on this we have even more, 144 Hz. So let's wait until the video finishes. As you could see, this was my skill issue. I couldn't tap the applications, so it was my mistake. It's smooth, right? It looks nice. Now let's jump to the Xiaomi 15T, which is over here. It's even smoother. I don't know if you can see it, but apart from the animations, the screen is a lot smoother. It looks better. I know that you can't see this maybe, but I use this iPhone, as you can see, which is in the middle. This is 120 Hz, and I see the difference between 120 and 144 Hz. It's slight difference, not that much difference, but it's visible, noticeable for people who just want to see it. Of course, you might not see it, and I don't recommend to think long about it, because it's just a key difference when you play games or watch videos and just want the smoother experience of your phone. Now I will show you this difference in real life, actually, in these phones. Let me unlock my phone first, and this one too. And as you can see, here they have 120 Hz. It's not that, as you can see, much difference. Yes, and here, as you can see, we have 144. Maybe you can see it, I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this.